Welcome back to the Daily Dose, where we break down the biggest news in technology straight from our offices here at Velocity Technologies in Tempe, Arizona. I'm Angelo, and joining me as always is Nia, representing our team in Tucson. And
Hey, Angelo, and hello to all our listeners out there. Today, we're diving into some significant developments at Microsoft, specifically the latest round of job cuts. It's a topic that has been making headlines and raising questions about the company's future directions.
absolutely, Nia, there's a lot to unpack here, and we want to explore the various facets of this story. We'll be looking at why these cuts are happening, the impact on the tech industry, and what it all means for Microsoft's strategy moving forward.
Exactly, Angelo. Let's start by giving our listeners some background on the situation.
Microsoft announced another round of job reductions, which has raised eyebrows across the tech industry. This isn't the first time this year that Microsoft has taken such action, and it's part of a broader trend we're seeing in big tech companies.
Right, Angelo? Microsoft hasn't disclosed the exact number of employees affected, but these cuts are reportedly affecting various departments. This is a strategic maneuver to realign resources and focus on new priorities.
These kinds of decisions often come during times of economic uncertainty or shifts in company strategy. Microsoft appears to be focusing on areas like artificial intelligence and cloud computing, which are seen as the future growth drivers.
So let's talk about the economic context a bit. The tech industry is under pressure with inflation, global supply chain issues, and shifting consumer demands. These factors are contributing to tough decisions like the ones Microsoft is making.
Indeed, Nia, the broader economic climate affects how companies like Microsoft operate. They need to be agile and make adjustments to stay competitive. This includes sometimes making hard decisions about their workforce.
And with tech stocks experiencing volatility, companies are reassessing their growth trajectories. They're looking to consolidate and maximize efficiency, which often means cutting costs.
Let's shift gears and talk about Microsoft's strategic priorities. Why are these job cuts being viewed as necessary? And how do they fit into the bigger picture?
Good point, Angelo. Microsoft's focus on artificial intelligence and cloud services has been a major aspect of its growth strategy. They're investing heavily in these areas, which are expected to drive future revenue.
Exactly. The cloud computing sector in particular has been a significant growth engine for Microsoft with its Azure platform. This shift toward cloud services requires a different set of skills and resources.
And on the AI front, Microsoft has been making substantial investments to integrate AI across its product offerings, enhancing everything from productivity tools to developer platforms.
Let's discuss how these job cuts are affecting employees and the tech industry as a whole. It's a tough time for many professionals in the field.
Absolutely, Angelo. Losing a job is never easy, and it brings uncertainties for the affected employees. Many will likely find opportunities in emerging tech sectors, but the transition can be challenging.
There's also the impact on the tech industry to consider. Large-scale job cuts can influence market dynamics, potentially driving talent to startups and smaller companies looking to innovate.
And with Microsoft's influence in the tech world, these moves could lead to shifts in how tech companies manage their human resources and prioritize certain technologies.
Looking ahead, what does the future hold for Microsoft? How will these strategic changes influence their market position?
Microsoft is positioning itself to be a leader in the AI and cloud spaces. By reallocating resources toward these priorities, they aim to strengthen their competitive edge and drive long-term growth.
That's right. This strategic focus could help Microsoft weather economic challenges and maintain its status as a key player in the tech industry.
And with continuing developments in AI and cloud technology, Microsoft is likely to keep innovating and expanding its capabilities in these areas.
To wrap things up, Microsoft's job cuts are a reflection of broader industry trends and strategic shifts. While it's a difficult time for many, these changes are aimed at positioning the company for future success.
Exactly, Angelo. As these developments unfold, It will be interesting to see how Microsoft navigates the challenges and opportunities ahead.
Thanks for tuning into the Daily Dose. Before we sign off, a quick note from our sponsor.
Velocity Technologies offers comprehensive IT solutions tailored to meet your business needs. Whether you're in need of managed IT services, cybersecurity solutions, or cloud services, our team is here to help. Visit velocitytech.rg to learn more about how we can support your tech journey.
Thanks, Nia. We'll catch y'all next time with more insights and updates from the tech world. Until then, stay tech savvy.